don't call me over here. It's want me to live somewhere. Where you call me yard for now? Because I can't bother with your problems.
Girl, me have a story to tell you, man. I couldn't keep it to myself.
You know me always want you to make them come talk.
See, you know, man, when a good man already, you know. And me I come from work this evening. That day they didn't work, so him cook dinner. Yeah, girl, open the door, light lock off, candle light turn on, and all of them shit there. And I said, what gonna cause this? Him take my bag from me. Him take everything out of my hand, girl.
Wait, your man?
Yeah.
Not one new man, your man?
Yes.
One talk.
He come like a deaf. And I said, I did feel like a relief enough, you know. So, you know, him have the that in him. Him take my bag and put them down. I said, I'm going to the room now.
Yeah.
I walk on roads, petal, you know. Yeah, red and hey, look at them just picking up.
Hey.
They help on bed too, you know. Go straight in a bathroom, you know. So they look like a bed thing and a bathroom.
Oh.
Yeah. So in drama, excited. So in drum going to bathroom.
Yeah, girl, me can't see a story, man. Someone hear it, don't want hear it.
You're excited, someone to go slow and smooth.
Alright.
In drum going to bathroom. You know, so we have bathtub plus shower, you know. Yeah. We have a rain head and we have a couple of shower.
Me know in your house, and I feel one first.
So I'm sitting on the bench and I shower now. I'm here to say, girl. I say I feel like waves are rock. I to say the water beat down in my back.
Yeah,
I feel like I'm on cloud. See, I can't even talk. I can't even talk to the way the man do my good. What? I feel like
keep on saying, do you good, him do you good. What? Continue and tell me why I'm really there.
I feel like I'm on cloud 100, girl. I say my body just a rock such to the water.
I get that part when they are.
I did a massage my foot, girl.
No, man. What you saying?
You did a massage my foot.
What you saying, do you?
So I fight, you're going to find me over one little story.
So that you make me waste all of my life and my excitement for? So tell me someone rub your foot?
Which man ever rub your foot?
Rose petal and them take bag and them stop there for rub foot? How could I cause this?
Your man never rub your foot.
I now come back in your yard. I now come back in your yard because them stop me and I'm inner. You can't call me and tell me them hot story and boom. I say it done. No man. They tell me say, you know, come like a bed sitting in a bathroom something. You know me start think kinky now. Eh? Boom! Foot!
So you are trace my father.
My bets, man.
You normally hear of man around foot.
What you mean? If he not do it willingly, me force it on him. Eh? Rose petal for rub foot.
You ever hear of Jamaican man rub foot?
Look here, man. Don't come back in your yard for foolishness, you know. Do not come back in your yard for foolishness. Because I can't believe it. After me ready for here, let me love you with my heels on. Yeah, they're going to the yard.
Bad girls step out, I'm stunting. My ties them tick like pumpkin. Look pon me, big body jumping. My money tick like a caramel dumpling.
I hope you loved that video. My comment section is now open, so you guys can comment about whatever you liked about that video. Guys, please like, share and subscribe. Share it with your friends, share it with your family. I'm on my way to 1,000 subscribers and I really need your help and support. And of course, my call out to my OG, them were there from day one, and also my new subscribers. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you guys. Also, I have a little movie film in the work. No, I don't have a preview for you as yet, but we've started filming the video. Just look out for it, and before the film comes for sure, I'll have a preview on my channel, on my Facebook, also It's Bell TV, and don't forget to follow me on my socials. So my announcement is, when I reach 1,000 subscribers, I will be having giveaways, a lot of prizes and surprises. So share it with your friend, your family, people where you and them are really friend, because great things are about to come. I love you guys, and see you next time.